sa legislation na agin yung proseso sa committee.
Councilor Aris.
That's why, Mr. Chair, that's why we should call for a hearing to clarify everything.
And the hearing will be conducted by the Committee on Appropriations,
Jointly with the barangays, Mr. Chair.
the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Okay?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because jointly with the barangay, because there's even an allegation I heard on radio that from one punong barangay that even the Liga ng mga barangay, with all due respect, does not know that this was taken out, Mr. Chair. So, yes, I agree. Committee on Appropriations.
Committee on Appropriations and then jointly with the Committee on Barangay Affairs. So,
Thank you.
any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. Let me clarify one thing. Councilor Maria Corazon Piña-Flor. Councilor Aris Macarig is saying that you don't know anything about this matter. Is that correct?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I really don't know what is happening on this kind of matter because I was also given a barangay support fund in Barangay Calawag.
So in other words, you were not informed.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I really don't know.
Okay, so we really need to have this hearing to be conducted both by the Committee on Barangay Affairs and the Committee on Appropriations. Okay? Next item, please.
Next item.
The rules are back.
Next item is the new business. Item number 1 is the proposed ordinance authored by the Honorable Mendoza, institutionalizing social protection and welfare benefits for job order and contract of service personnel of the City Government of Naga.
Committee on Appropriations and Committee on Organizational Development. Next item, please.
Next is the first endorsement dated February 11 of the City Budget Office forwarding the 2026 annual budget of Barangay Abella.
Committee on Appropriations.
Next is the annual budget of Barangay Panikwason.
Committee on Appropriations.
Next is the annual budget of Barangay Tinago.
Committee on Appropriations.
Another annual budget of the SK of Barangay Tinago.
Committee on Appropriations.
The proposed ordinance of the Honorable Francisco Mendoza establishing the policy for the pooling and equitable distribution of PhilHealth professional fee in all city government-owned health facilities.
Committee on Health.
The proposed ordinance of the Honorable Felix, seeing the Naga City Barangay Heritage Program and City Archive, institutionalizing annual community documentation and education, provide capacity support.
Committee on Culture and the Arts.
Next is the other matters. Email sent dated February 9 from Mayor Kirk Asis Bayugan of Bayugan City LCP Secretary General inviting participation in the Presidential Communication Office Ordinance Right Shop for Local Government Unit on February 19 and March 13 via Zoom teleconference.
We take note of that.
Next is the copy of Barangay Resolutions number 25055 of Barangay Balatas, requesting Congressman Nelson Ligacion for the concreting of the road at the relocation site at Sitio
Noted.
Iwid. Next is a letter from the city treasurer submitting the delinquency report on real property tax as of December 31st.
Noted. Next item, please.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Mendoza.
can the report of the CTO be referred to the Ways and Means?
The report of
The city on real property delinquency.
Ways and means.
will be
be referred to the Committee on Ways and Means.
Okay, so that will be referred to the Committee on Ways and Means.
Next is the nominal voting.
Councilor Rosales.
Mr. Chairman, I move to transfer to nominal voting all approved ordinances and move for the approval on third and final reading.
Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Move to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
Adjourned.